everyone, it's Kim. I'm here with the production manager Daoqin of Daoqin Textile. So, Manager Daoqin, could you give us a brief introduction to our suspended production line, please?
好的，大家好，道琴是2010年成立的。目前我们工厂有专业的捷克吊挂线8条，它的生产流程都是自动化、数据化、可视化的。现在我们有员工500多人，日产能5万多件。
Okay, thank you. Daoqin Textile was founded on the year of 2010. Now we have 8 jack suspended production lines. The production flow is automation, digitization, and visualization. Now we have over 500 employees. Our daily production capacity is over 50,000 pieces. Okay, Daoqin, so could you please tell us more about this production line, please?
在我们这里是第一道工序在画片呢，我们师傅在画片。
Okay, this is the first step.
我们这里的师傅呢是在做4个流线。
This step is called full needle stick thread, and it's the second step of the production line.
还在卷裤脚。
This step is working on the hem of the skirt. Okay, as you can see right now here, this man is working on the waist of a skirt.
到了成品检验环节，首先我们要整体看一下有没有污渍破损，然后我们要检查一下细节，有没有线头什么的。如果有质量问题，要及时返工，不能让次品流出。
Okay, now we are here at the quality control process. First, we have to check the product roughly to see if there is any dirt or damage. Then we pay attention to the details to see if there is any loose stitches. If there are some problems with the product, we have to resend it back for reworking it. Daoqin do not allow any defective product to be released.
大家好，欢迎来到道琴的智能产检车间。我们所有的设备都是先进的，我们有30名技术熟练的员工。有了这样的硬件设备，道琴才能给客户提供更优质的产品和服务。
Hi everyone, welcome to Daoqin's Smart Cutting Factory. All these machines you see behind me are imported, and we have over 30 skillful employees. Daoqin will provide much more better products and services to our customers with this kind of hardware equipment. Welcome to visit Daoqin. As you can see right now behind me is our automatic spreading machine.
手动的是自动裁刀，他正在开心的工作着。
As you can see right now, this is our automatic cutting machine. He is working with joy, and he can work all day long. Okay, thank you everyone for watching. We will try our best to provide the best quality products to our customers around the world. See you next time.